Hello students, how do you feel today? Are you okay? Excellent. Okay, today we are going to work on some extra exercise, okay? From lesson 1 and lesson 2 from unit 8, okay? So this is number 1, is about object pronouns. In number 1, circle the correct object pronoun in each conversation, okay? And you have an example here. What do you think of this nightgown? I really like it or her. Obviously it. Why? Because nightgown is a thing, okay? So is it. For example, in number 2, is this large sweater for you? No, it's not for me, or it's not for it. It's not for me, okay? It's for my sister. So you complete the rest of the exercise. You have 3, 4, and 5. In exercise 2, complete the conversation with the correct object pronouns. And you have an example in number 1. Is your husband getting those cute sweaters for your daughters? Yes, he's getting them for them. Okay? In number 2, I like to buy some running shoes for my son. What do you think of this? Do you think they are okay? They are nice, bye. And you need to complete with the correct object pronouns. Okay? So this is exercise 1 and exercise 2. Then you have an scramble. In this exercise, you have an scramble the sentences. Begin sentence with a capital letter. Okay, for example, number 1, you have buying them, she is, and you see she's buying them for him. Okay, and you have a number 2. It getting is my teacher for us. You need a scramble the sentence, okay, in the correct form. And the last exercise for today is from lesson number 2. Do you remember the lesson number 2? It's about comparative adjective. Write the comparative form of each adjective. More than one correct answer may be possible. For example, in number 1, large. The first thing that you have to think is the adjective is short or large. Okay, for example, large is short, okay, because only it has 2 syllables. So what happened? You need to add R at the end of the word. So the comparative form for large is larger. Okay, larger. In hot, is short or is long? Is short, right? Because only has 1 syllable. So hot. But what happened here? In hot, you have a sequence consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, it's monosyllable and you have consonant, vowel, consonant. So you need to double the last consonant. So at the end, you add ER. So hotter, okay? Hotter with double T. Okay? And for example, beautiful, okay? At the end in number 10, beautiful, you don't say beautifuler, right? Because it doesn't exist. So when the adjective is long, you need to put before more, okay? And the adjective, it doesn't change. So more beautiful, but maybe less beautiful. More or less beautiful, okay? Depend on the sentence, okay? The context of the sentence. And that's it. If you have any doubt, you put on chat and we'll see, okay? So bye.